Welcome to another episode of WWW, Website of the Week, every Wednesday. And in today's episode, I want to talk about a website and where you could get free stock photos. In this day and age, building a website with great, valuable content is very important. And part of the content comes in the form of images. Having sloppy images or unprofessional images on your website brings down the rankings plus the value that you could provide for your customer. Now, when you go visit Pexels.com, you'll notice that when you get to their landing page, they're already offering a bunch of professionally done photos in which you could download for free and use them on your website. Now, a lot of these photos are professionally done by photographers, and this is something new. They're now showcasing videos on their homepage, and these are free stock videos in which you could also download and use in your videos. But today I want to mainly focus on the stock photos that they're offering. You could simply search a particular category in your mind if you need a certain picture or image for your website. So let's say we want to look for something that deals with technology. So let's type in technology, and it'll show you a bunch of photos which deals with tech. So mainly you're going to see like computers, servers, codes, rockets, and a lot of those under the technology category. And on the top, you're going to see a bunch of other categories in which you could browse through if any of those tickles your fancy. So let's go ahead and pick this picture. And as you can see as a preview that it has 9.28 million views. And on the top right, you could see free download. Now, the free download dropdown provides you with a bunch of sizes in which you could download. And if you want to customize that size as well, then you could add it down here. But of course, we always want to get the original and click on free download. Yes, their stuff looks really good. And what's amazing is that it's free. There's really no regulations or policy about this, but they really do have simple rules in terms of using these images. Let's head over at license. And in their license page, you can actually see what they allow in terms of their policy. It's really fairly simple. And it just reads out that all photos and videos on Pexels are free to use. Attribution is not really required, although they do appreciate if you would credit a photographer, but then again, not necessary. Of course, you could also modify the photos and videos based on your needs and be creative as much as possible. Now, I wonder if there's any don'ts over here. Oh, there we go. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see what's not allowed. So really what's not allowed is identifying people in a bad situation or in an offensive way in the way you use those photos. Of course, selling these copies are prohibited since they're all free. And yes, of course, why would you want to resell photos that are actually for free? So I guess their policy is pretty much simple in how to use and distribute these images. But going back to the main topic, if you are in need of stock photos for your website or for any other projects, such as a presentation, a video documentation, or anything that you require great content, professionally produced content, then Pexels is your next best friend when it comes to getting these content for your project. Personally, Pexels is my go-to website every time I build a new website for a client or have a new presentation that I need to build. And I'm pretty sure Pexels.com is going to be your go-to website whenever you need great photography or videography.